Lizzie L, and I'm back with another video. Wait, cut all this out. That's totally gay. Wait, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with gay.
Hi guys, my name is...
Canceled. No.
Hi guys, my name is Barbie, and welcome to GDH, also known as God's True
Stop the cap.
House. And I'm just gonna show y'all the last. I did French curl braids and layered like bangs in the front. And I just wanted to do the end for y'all because I have a feeling that y'all are gonna ask questions on my TikTok about. Y'all are gonna ask questions on TikTok about how I did the curls and everything. So I have boiling hot water right here. And
oh, I don't trust you with that, dude.
A towel. And I'm basically just gonna boil this.
Whoa.
And boil this as well.
Hey, why am I here?
And it's straight right now. So I can show y'all how it curled like this.
Are you trying to use me for my clout? Alright, get out the way. People are tired of seeing.
What it do was good, YouTube, man. I don't know why I'm here. I'm here with this ugly, butt ugly girl right here, man.
Just being completely honest with you guys. If there was top 3 ugliest siblings, she'd be top 2. She wouldn't be number 2.
No, seriously, like, why am I here?
Anyways, yeah, I'm just burning it. Don't burn your face. I did this.
Oh,
with
please. Wait, you can burn your face with that?
I did the other side with my little sister. She was helping me.
Wait, you could burn your face with that?
But yeah, let's see how it came out.
Wait, you can burn your face with that?
Ah, okay.
That's cool. Okay. Hold on, let's do it. Let's do it this time with your face and see what happens.
And obviously,
go with your face.
And obviously, I'm gonna like take the hot towel, dip it in, and put it on top of my head so it'll be more flat. Cause I did not do knotless. I don't really. Well, I've done knotless before. They just didn't look how I wanted it to look. Sorry guys, I'm sick. But yeah, I've done knotless before.
You're sick.
I've done knotless before and it just didn't look how I wanted it to look, so I just stuck to the knots. But
well, my arms just fine.
But I like the knots anyways. So I'm gonna just wrap this up. And honestly, the braids were short before and I added more hair and that's why
you were short. You're like 5'3". You're short.
That's why it looks like that.
No, you're short beforehand.
But
not the braids, just you. You midget, and you'll never grow. You'll never get anything every off. You'll never amount to be anything. You really should consider.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap it around.
No, you need to wrap yourself around reality and realize that you're a bum. Can you wrap your head around that? Can you wrap your head around that? Wrap your head around a reality.
And I'm probably gonna speed this part up.
No, she's not.
It depends.
Stop beating them. In all seriousness, your hair looks nice.
Thank you.
No, I'm playing. Woo! Nah, come on. That was funny. That was funny. Because you said thank you, and you expected me to really be serious? I mean, come on, seriously. Look at you.
Ah, and the curl came out really nice. And honestly, I hope this maintains for a long time.
What hairstyle is this?
It's French curl.
You don't even know how to speak French.
It's French curl braids.
Je parle français?
And I guess they're layered. I kind of just cut
Comment ça va?
them. And
Ça va?
I layered the bangs as well. I think I'm gonna cut this to match this side because they're not the same size. But yeah.
Bro, you understand the ugliest girl I've seen in my life, bro?
But yeah, so just in case GDH asks me.
Y'all go ahead and comment who GDH is.
The people watching this video.
Wait, what's your Instagram?
And it's real bouncy.
What's your Instagram?
Big Barbie. With four eyes.
Not the little one, right? Big Barbie, not the little one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's pretty much it. You can do a lot of styles with this hair.
You want to know the ugliest girl I've seen though? Like, yet?
Yeah, sure.
It's you! Oh, bro, you look like me with hair. Oh, come on, dude. Let's be honest. You think you got more hair than me?
Yes.
So let's do. All right, guys. We're gonna do an honest evaluation, okay? My hair shrunk up because it's some braids, but we're just gonna pull my hair down and just see where it ends at, okay? Tip of my nose. Hey.
But yeah, just so I can show you that.
Hold on. We're being fair. Hold on, guys. So mine ended where? Let's be honest here. Maybe my top lip barely. Okay, cool. It's some braids. It don't matter, right? Top lip. Now we're just gonna pull your hair down and just see where it ends. Okay, guys. This is completely fair. You mind getting close to me real quick? Closer. Let's just see where your hair ends. Damn.
But yeah, here's it up in like a ponytail.
No 360s. Nobody needs to see no damn 360. They could have seen all your hair from the back. Stop all that damn 360 crap. You trying to show up? I'm a. You trying to show up? Come on, no damn 360. Nobody have seen no 360. Y'all better have clicked off right there too. You that's still watching. People, bro.
Period poo. Big Barbie.
Not the little one, yeah.
Yeah.
Big June,
yeah.
Not the little one, yeah.
Life in whose dream house? Life in God's dream. Life in God's dream house.
Yeah.